Hey fellas, check what we have here. We have another Milwaukee 5 amps battery and it's one light blinking. So if it's one light blinking, what can we do? We can open it. Okay, first thing, when you open it, we can check the voltage. Checking 3.2, 3.2, 3.2. So, where is the problem? The problem probably is in PCB. Looks like a nice battery pack. I will measure the cells again. .2, 3.2, 3.2, same, the same, and the same. So, what we need to do here, I think we know now, we need to replace the PCB. Let's just replace it. Now we need to separate the plate here and the plate here from the battery pack. I'm just lifting the corners to get them easier with my pliers. This one. Okay, got the pins out. So what we need to do now, we need to straighten the pins a little bit. Okay, I will straighten this plate maybe. Oh, it looks pretty straight. Okay, this one looks good. So now we will throw this out and we'll take the replacement board. And with the replacement board we need to get the pins in. So that's why we have straightened it. not all the pins want to go in. I will try to slightly adjust them. Okay, we have all the pins in. Now I will put in the board with the screws. Just double checking for the pins. Yep, all the pins are good. Okay. Now I will solder the small pins and then we'll go to the spot welding. Okay, the pins is good now, so we need to try to spot weld everything here. We'll try to press this blade here and this one. This one is not holding good. I don't know why, but sometimes these blades are just not getting spot welded by my welder. Maybe they are different in thickness or something. So normally what I'm doing, I'm putting the other plate on top of them and then welding it. Let's make this plate here. And as you can see, this strip, it's a little bit thinner, so it's getting easy. Maybe I need a, I don't know, more powerful spot welder. Okay, we'll put this one here. Okay, hope that will hold. What shows our battery? It shows 1. Yeah, only the 1 light it shows, so I will put it to the charger and okay, move this one here. Okay, the pins look good. Of course, you can measure everything again. And the same, and the same. Okay, and here we have 16 volts. Yeah, so it's empty. Okay, so our previous battery we have repaired shows the green. Okay, so I will assemble it, put it to charger and charge it, and you can see it's easy to replace the PCB. Thank you for watching, thumbs up, subscribe, and bye.